Satnam, Kundalini Yoga for Beginners. This is the beginner series. We are going to work on tuning in and a few other things as well. And this is something you need to do at every single practice, every single Kundalini Yoga practice that you do. Now to tune in, put your hands into prayer. Thumb on our heart chakra. Close your eyes. Now I'm going to speak of what we need to say for tuning in. And then we can do it together. You need to say this 3 times. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. And then you want to give yourself a bow. What this means is, I bow to the infinite. I bow to the teacher within. So what you are showing is, you're showing love and respect to your higher self and to the teacher within you. And this is consciousness. This is higher consciousness. It is a simple mantra once you learn it. They also say the consciousness will guide and protect you during your practice. So now, let's all do it together. Hands in prayer, thumb on the heart chakra, and I will be putting this mantra on the screen as well in case you forget any of the words. Let's begin, and we're going to do it slower today, the tuning in, so we can feel the vibration and we can learn these words. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev. Now bow down to your infinity. One more thing we're going to do is from Yogi Bhaja's Kundalini Yoga teaching. It's to give yourself self-blessings. The words of this blessing: may long time sunshine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Satnam. That's a song we should all rehearse and being able to say it anytime we feel we need our self-blessings. Every time you do a Kundalini Yoga practice and you complete it, you chant at the very end a long sat and a short nam. Just like this, with hands into prayer on your heart chakra. Satnam. Thank you for joining me today, Kundalini Sacred Goddess. This was part of my beginners series for Kundalini Yoga. This is to learn some of the basics, tuning in, tuning out, and a Kundalini Yoga blessing taught by Yogi Bhaja, the Longtime Sunshine Song. Again, thank you for joining me today, Kundalini Sacred Goddess. If you like my video, please like. If you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Namaste.